Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Gina Agustin with student ID number 2021-0510379. I'm from the Management Study Program, 2nd semester, University Kuningan. Currently, I will present my business profile to fulfill my business English course assignment. The business presentation will discuss the property business. Property business. The property business is a way of developing asset by buying property, then reselling it at a later date. This business can be done individually or on behalf of the company. There are several types of property business. However, I will focus on the residential real estate type of property business. As the name implies, residential is property related to residential housing. The scope of residential real estate is landed house, flat, or housing. Next, I will explain the passion and mission of this property business. The passion of this business to realize the desire of every human, being to have their own place to live by upholding product quality. And then, the mission of this business, first, providing quality product that meet customer expectation. And two, prepare housing in several areas, especially Majalengka, with installment payment system. And three, facilitate the community from the lower middle class to the upper middle class to have a decent place to live. So, when talking about business, it is very important for us to do a SWOT analysis so that we know how big the strength, threats, opportunity, and weakness of our business are. This is the result of my business SWOT analysis. There are three strengths in the business, that is: 1. The existence of financial institutions that help as leaders of capital. And 2. Availability of strategic linear urban area for housing development. And 3. Every year, there will be a demand for housing construction by consumer. And then, there are two weaknesses in this business, that is: first, many competitors in the residential real estate property business, and 2. The high price of raw material in housing construction. Next, there are two opportunities in this business, that is: first, there are more promising benefits, and 2. The increasing number of residents in urban and rural areas every year so that it requires a supply of housing. And then finally, there are two threats in this business, that is: first, the high development of apartment as an alternative place to live, and 2. It's still difficult to get permission. Property business benefit. The first advantage of the property business is that the property warehouse can be an asset. The point is that the property owned can generate passive income if it's rented and has a selling value. Owned property can also be used as collateral to borrow money in the bank. After discussing the passion and mission, continue with the SWOT analysis of business. What will be discussed next is a marketing strategy to increase sales of this business. The marketing strategy that will be used is: first, the first marketing strategy is to conduct a market survey, the extent to which people's purchasing power, how many competition are there, price range, and market share. The second is doing promotion because potential buyers need picture about the product. Third, consistently introduce residential property to the public, both personally and by advertising on social media. Initial capital. Illustration. To build a house in Majalengka with a land area of 18 square meter and a building type 15. The assumption is that the land price is IDR 4 million per square meter and the house building is IDR 3,5 million per square meter. Land capital IDR 200 million, building capital IDR 150 million, administration fee IDR 7 million, reserve cost IDR 30 million, marketing cost IDR 1 million, and then total IDR 377.5 million. The selling price of Type 45 house in Majalengka area is around total 600 million. Can use as the selling price assumption. Profit and loss calculation. Selling price 600 million. Cost of goods 377.5 million. Gross profit 222.5 million. Tax 5%, so 25 million. Marketing commission 2.5%, so 12.5 million. And then net profit 185 million. Okay, thanks friend. That's enough that I can explain this time. See you, maybe useful. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.